Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shalise, and I'm here to help you invest in one of the most beautiful places in the world, the Mediterranean. Today I'm excited to show you some incredible houses for sale in Sicily that you can buy and renovate with a budget of just 50,000 euros. If you're interested in any of them or want to discuss your own project, feel free to contact me using the information in the description below. I offer online consultations for those looking to buy a second home in the Mediterranean, as well as turnkey design and building services in Malta and Sicily. All the properties we'll be viewing today are located in Ragusa, a charming town nestled in the hills of southern Sicily, just a 40-minute drive from the seaside. First, we have a property located on the hillside with a beautiful view of the historic core of Ragusa. This property spans 150 square meters. It features a recently restored roof, and the asking price is 25,000 euros. To fully renovate this property, an investment of 30,000 euros is required. The net annual income is estimated at around 10,000 euros, which gives you 18% annual ROI. The second property is just a bit further down the same road, offering an even better view. You have double access, one side from the main road and the other side from a pedestrian-only street. Google Maps shows that the roof is caved in and there's some graffiti inside. The asking price for this property is only 15,000. However, to renovate, you'll need around 35,000. The estimated annual net income is 10,000 euros, which gives you 20% annual ROI. Last but not least, we have a property on the north side of Ragusa, built into the lush greenery surrounding the historic center. It's only a 10-minute walk from the main sites. This property includes a garden of 1,000 square meters or 10,000 square feet and an ancient house of 130 square meters or 1,300 square feet. The asking price is 27,000 euros and the renovation cost is estimated at 30,000 euros, bringing you just over the 50,000 euro budget. The estimated net annual profit is 15,000, giving you 25% annual ROI. These are some of my favorite properties for sale right now, but I have many others on my list, including options in different towns and various budget ranges. I'm offering free consultations to a limited number of people who want to live their Italian dreams, so reach out to me using the contact info below for personalized advice. I'm the founder of Artemis Interior, a design studio based in Malta, dedicated to helping people renovate rental homes and create stunning properties with smart budgets. Whether you have a project in the Mediterranean or elsewhere, we can help you bring your dream spaces to life. Get in touch and let's create your dream space together.
See you next time.